Agroecology, mostly known as the science, practice, and movement based on scientific and traditional knowledge. It is a science that bridges ecological and socio-economic aspects, and it can work at different levels, from farm, community, national, regional, and so on. Biological processes are enhanced using agro-ecological principles, and these principles can be shared via farmer-to-farmer exchanges. Agroecology needs to be built from the bottom up, especially through social movements in rural areas. There is a need to create alliances between rural and urban communities. And agroecology is a pillar of the food sovereignty framework, which promotes the provision of land, water, seeds, and other productive resources to small farmers and landless people, along with economic opportunities. Agroecology encompasses the relationships between agricultural production systems and ecological processes. It includes all the techniques that allow agricultural practices to be more respectful of the environment. The current challenges to agriculture posed by food insecurity and climate change are serious. There is a paradox of increased food production and growing hunger in the world. The global food production system is broken as we are destroying the very base of agriculture with unsustainable practices. Conventional agriculture has contributed significantly to the crisis, including climate change. Meanwhile, the poorest countries will suffer the most from climate change. In particular, small subsistence farmers will be affected. This is the reason why we are a demonstration and training center in Malawi, so to demonstrate how locally available resources can be used to reverse such predicaments. We realize the need for promoting and uplifting the welfare of vulnerable Malawians and other vulnerable people for the purpose of strengthening their family unit, alleviating poverty, diseases, and fighting all forms of economic, social, and political religious barriers, together with the desire to curb the problem of illiteracy among the peasantly population in general. We realize the need for promoting informal education in Malawi in order to alleviate current predicaments and ecological chaos. This is the reason why we can teach without demonstrating. We demonstrate what's possible, and we only train people what's possible. In this classic example, this is agroecology in practice. You can see agroecology in application, and this is exactly what we teach people. We teach people what's possible and what's not possible. What hasn't worked for us, it cannot work for anyone. So this is the reason why we don't teach what we read in the books, but we only teach what we've done and we've seen it working.